Hey there beautiful guys, welcome back. This tutorial I am going to show you 3 easy ways to uninstall app on your Android phone. You can follow this method easily remove the app your device. Let's get started. First method, use the home screen or app door. Simply swipe the home screen to open the app door. Here you can see all of the install app listed there. Simply find the exact app if you want to uninstall. For example, I am uninstall the DeepSeek app. Simply tap on hold the app icon. From the pop-up page, select uninstall. After that, confirm by tapping again. And right now uninstall the app successfully. The second method, I am using settings. So open the settings page on your phone. After that, scroll all the way to very bottom. Here you can find the apps option. Click on it. After the app page is open, you can see all of the install, pre-install app listed there. Scroll through the page, find the exact app if you want to uninstall. For example, this time I am uninstall Action Launcher. So tap on their name to open the next app info page. After the app info page is open, look at the bottom menu bar. You can see various options. Look for the uninstall button, click on it, then tap on again to confirm and automatically uninstall the app. The third and last way, I am using Google Play Store. So return to your home screen, open the Google Play Store app. After the app is open, you can look at the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Then scroll again, go to manage apps and device. Then click on manage. Now see the all of the install app listed there. Simply scroll through the page, find the exact app if you want to uninstall. For example, this time I am uninstall Grok AI. Simply select the boxes to app. After that, tap the delete trash icon at the top right corner. Then confirm by tapping uninstall. And that's it. You have successfully uninstalled the app. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Also like this video. Goodbye. Take care.